Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be doing a Blu-ray unboxing for Toy Story 4, which I bought today of H&V. Now, I've seen this movie in cinemas, and I thought it was pretty good actually. And we got Woody, Buzz, Bo Peep, and Forky. Yeah, I like how Bo Peep actually came back in this film, since she didn't really appear in the third one actually. Anyways, I got this for $14.99. Yeah, it's fine there. See Woody on here, and on the other spine as well. And there's the back, straight from the heart, independent. You can see the toys riding at the back of a car. Or is it a caravan? I don't know now. And it has two special features, and they are a commentary by director Josh Cooley, and John River and Mark Nelson, and two shorts, Bo Rebooted and Toy Stories. It's on for 100 minutes, and it contains very mild violence and scary scenes. And there's a disc, just a blue disc, unfortunately, which is a shame. And you just got a Disney Plays here. I don't think until 2020. You got Frozen, Mary Poppins, and Lion King. Yeah, I think Forky in the film is so funny that he keeps on saying "I'm trash" a lot in the film. That made me laugh so much. There we go. Okay, so that's my unboxing for Toy Story 4 on Blu-ray. I had a fun time seeing the film in cinemas as well. And then yeah, so yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching and goodbye.